The swipe map is a great way to compare two maps side by side. And here is how to add one to your story map. So first, we are going to click the plus button to add a new content block. I'm going to navigate all the way to media and I will find their swipe. So I will click and we will be prompted to add two web maps or images or even express maps. So if you have web maps, this is a great way to present them and compare them. So for example, I have created two scenarios for a vulnerability index for Colombia. So I want to see them side by side. So what I'm going to do is click first on web map. I will go and find the vulnerability Colombia. In this case, I will turn off all of the factors. Those maps will be turned off, and I will select first the vulnerability scenario, non-weighted. I will go to the bookmarks and use whatever bookmark I decide is the best. And then I will click in options. In this particular case, the map configuration won't be done right here, so I can click directly on save. I have the first one. I will go and find the second one, same project, and I save. Now I have both scenarios in the same area. Now, I use the same colors for both maps. I would recommend using different colors, but in this case, I will just leave it like this. What I'm going to do now is to click in options and I will click on legend. Now you can change the names here. I have for both Vulnerability Colombia and the second one will be weighted. And I will click save. And if I click here on the legend, I can see it. Now I can do a couple of things here to make sure this is not repeated. So what I can do is change the names. It looks a little bit better. I might just, remove, for example, scenario non-weighted from here and leave it as vulnerability. But that's something that you can do, so it's not repeated. And then probably I would select the medium in this particular case, given that I want to see the entire map of Colombia. So this will allow the users to click on the symbology and not overlap with the map. So that's something you can do. And finally, I will just give it a caption right here. Excellent. Now I have the map, and that's it for this section.